Morning and welcome to our channel Burgaokar's English Tutorials. We have studied the use of articles a and an. And in today's lecture, we are going to see again the same topic, articles, but this time the definite article, and that is the. Let us revise the use of a and an. When we use a noun with consonant sound, for example, a blackboard, the article we are using is a, because it is starting with the sound, consonant sound b. A blackboard. Suppose you say honest man, then here the pronunciation is honest. Though the word is starting with H is not pronounced. It is not honest. It is honest. And so we say an honest man. Suppose you want to say air. This is also H is silent. The pronunciation is air. R is also not pronounced here. अर्थ काय याचा? वारस. So an air. When you say ink pot, an ink pot, because it is starting with the vowel sound E. Here A. Here O. And I also told you yesterday about hotel and historical noun. So today we have decided to study the definite article, that is the. And in the following cases, the is used. The first is, and the most common is, when we speak about a special place, person or thing. See, when we speak about a special place, person or thing. For example, the book you want is already sold. So this book is coming for the first time. But we are not talking about any book. Here the sentence is speaking about the book you want. So something special, a thing special, and that's why the article the. The pen you have is so good. So I am not talking about any pen. I am talking about that pen which is there with you. So the pen. So this is the first rule for using the. Now the second use of the, when a noun is repeated in the same context. Now see, we are studying English, we want to write English, we want to speak English, and often we write a paragraph or speak 5 or 6 sentences at a time. What happens in such a case? A particular article, a particular word which is a noun is repeated. So when a noun is repeated, you have to use the article the. See here the example. I met girl. Girl was so cute. I wanted to praise her. So say this. I'm talking about some girl. Now this is the noun, common noun, and this is coming for the first time. So I may use I met one girl. In that sense it is possible I'll use a. Now this word girl, noun girl, is coming in this reference the second time. And which is this girl? This is this girl. हा गर्ल शब्द इथे रिपीट झाला. पहिल्यांदा आल्यावर तुम्ही द वापरा, नका वापरू. आता द चे नियम बघितले की कळेल की पहिल्यांदा द वापरायचं की नाही. अदरवाइज एक मुलगी भेटली, इन दॅट सेन्स यू कॅन यूज अ ऑल्सो. बट व्हेनेवर द वर्ड इज रिपीटेड यू शुड यूज द. रिपीटेड इन द सेम कंटेक्स्ट. कारण आपण एकच पॉइंट पुढे नेतोय, कंटेक्स्ट सेम आहे त्याच संदर्भात. सो आय मेट अ गर्ल, द गर्ल वॉज सो क्यूट, आय वॉन्टेड टू प्रेज हर. Even if it would have been the girl here, then the article would have been there. So, you write an essay. Suppose you are talking about your dog. I have a dog. The dog is so lovely. The dog comes with me wherever I go. So, when a noun is repeated, use the in the same context. The third use of the is before the names of. Now, rivers, seas, oceans means not before these words. या शब्दाच्या आधी नाही, याचं नाव असेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सपोज we are talking about Ganga river. The English people pronounce it as the Ganges. So, the Ganga river. Even if river, this word is not there, then also, for example, Yamuna. Then, what you should say is the Yamuna. The Thames. That river on which London is situated. So, the Thames. So, before the names of rivers. Second, before the names of seas. For example, the Arabian Sea, the Red Sea, and oceans, the Pacific, the Atlantic, Gulfs. Gulfs म्हणजे काय? आखाती प्रदेश. The Persian Gulf. Persian Gulf is no longer there in today's geography. At the places where Persian Gulf was present, there is Iran and Iraq. आणि आपल्याला माहित आहे, इंडिया म्हटलं तर आपण आर्टिकल लावत नाही, द इंडिया म्हणतो का नाही. बट बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ इराण अँड इराक यू मे फाइंड द, बिकॉज दे आर गल्फ कंट्रीज, आखाती प्रदेश आहे. सो बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ गल्फ, religious books, the Quran, the Gita, the Bible, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana. Then directions, the south, the northeast. Then also before the names of mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas, the Alps. So, these are the general things with which, when the name is written, we are using the article the. Now, the fourth rule. Before unique things. Now what means names of unique things? Now which are the unique means what? One and only one. Surya किती है? Only one. So the sun, the moon, the pole star, like this. So the earth, when one and only one is present in the universe, you are using the article the. Number 5, with superlative degree. Now, superlative degree. What is superlative degree? We say good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. So, this is positive degree. This is comparative degree, and this is superlative degree. So, when we use this superlative degree, then the is used. For example, the best singer, the topmost thing, like this. When superlatives are used, then the is needed. Number 6. To give the stress of a superlative. I will give you an example so that you will be clear, because we are using this often. For example, Sachin Tendulkar was declared. Now you can guess what I am going to write. Sachin Tendulkar was declared the man of the match or the man of the series. Now, I want to speak about this, not this the year. Sachin Tendulkar was declared the man of the series. What is the meaning of the man? It means the best man. हा बेस्ट शब्द इथे लिहिलाय का? नाही. पण अर्थ काय आहे? This award, man of the series, is given only to the best player. And so, when you say the man of the match, it means the best man of the match. When you say he was the singer of the day, means he was the best singer of the day. So, this superlative is not used, but the stress of superlative is conveyed by the use of the. द लिहिल्यानंतर हा सुपरलेटिव्हचा अर्थ इथे आपोआप येतो. सो दिस इज नंबर 6. नंबर 7, as an adverb, I will write at the top, as an adverb with comparatives. Now what is an adverb? Adverb tells you more about the verb, which tells you something which adds to the verb, which tells you something more about the verb, that is called an adverb. And that too the adverbs in which comparison, tulana ahe. These are called comparatives. So as an adverb with comparatives, it will be very clear when you read the example. The more you try, the more you get. So the comparison is in between trying and getting. Which is the adverb here? These are the verbs. And these are the adverbs. With this one. So more. Here more is the adverb. Here also more is the adverb. So when such comparisons are there, you have to use the. And the last one. Before an adjective where the noun is understood. Now see, just as the adverb adds to the verb. So what is an adjective? Adjective adds to the noun, विशेषण we call it. जे नामाविषयी माहिती सांगतं, मॉडिफाय करतं नाउन, that is an adjective. So before an adjective, for example, we should help the poor. See, कुठे आहे the वापरला आपण? इथे. And which is the adjective? Poor. Noun कुठे आहे? Noun दिलेलं नाही. We have to understand that a noun is present. कुठलं noun आहे? What is the meaning of we should help the poor? आपण गरिबांना मदत केली पाहिजे. गरिबांना म्हणजे कोणाला? The poor means the poor people. हा people शब्द इथे लिहिलेला नाही. It is understood. So where the noun is understood before an adjective, we use the. So these are the 8 cases where the is used. Now I want to clear one more thing here. That is, this is pronounced as the or the. Often students get confused, but it is very simple. When to use the sound the and when to use the. Suppose I say, picture. I bought the picture of a river, suppose. Now, the picture, I am using here the sound the. Why? Because this picture, it is a consonant sound. So, I am saying the. Now, suppose I say, I have an umbrella. Umbrella is purple. Now it is repeated, so I am writing the. Why the here? Here I am not saying I have an umbrella. The umbrella is purple. So here it is the. Because this sound is the sound, that is a vowel sound, and because it is a vowel sound, we should say the. And when it is a consonant sound, we should say the. That's all with today's lecture, and in the next one I'll tell you how where articles are omitted, that is omission of articles. Thank you very much. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.